Hello friends, and welcome to Pottsfield. My name is Nina, I make mead, and I have at last reached my true and final form. Today we are here at Pottsfield to show you how we've made this year's pumpkin mead. Last year we brewed inside of a pumpkin with data-enriching results. But this year we're going whole hog and making a deliciously spiced and super creamy pumpkin pie mead. I am 100% feeling myself right now. Oh my gosh. Alright, back to the mead. We chose to add our pumpkin pie ingredients to an existing brew of traditional mead. This means that we're adding flavors in secondary fermentation.
Smells great.
Hi, John here. We were happy with this traditional ferment and its ABV. At this point, we were hoping to impart things like mouthfeel and distinct flavors. Sometimes when you add these kinds of ingredients up front, the yeast can chew it up and it gets lost.
After Nina's collapsed pumpkin, I got to work trying 3 different kinds of pumpkin spices.
Smells good.
And the Monin pumpkin puree was the best. And so that's what this is. But we've got another surprise. We've got lactose, which is a non-fermentable sugar. This is gonna be the whipped cream on top of the pumpkin pie. We've got durian powder to fuck it up.
No durian powder.
No durian powder.
That's
Okay.
a Kendall project.
Try some weird things. Do something interesting. It might be gross.
At first we added 8 ounces of lactose milk sugar to our 3-gallon batch, but the next time we tried it we still found it lacking, so we added about 4 more ounces, totaling around 12.
Unfortunately, the Monin pumpkin puree that we like sold out in September. So we found this 17-ounce jar of pumpkin butter at the store and decided to take a chance on it. I'll list the ingredients here.
And things got messy. I don't recommend doing this in a carboy. Please use a bucket. And we added a tablespoon of McCormick pumpkin spice and saw a bat, and it was super cute.
Alright, stay up there, buddy. Feed all the mosquitoes, please.
We stirred it all together, and that was that.
Taking my favorite of the pumpkin experiments, I want to see just how lactose affects a finished mead. These 2 projects are essentially the same. This one has just had a year to clarify off of the pumpkin edition.
Take a perfectly clear mead and then do this to it. And there we go.
Now all there's left to do is enjoy it and celebrate the harvest. And the meads turned out delicious. The lactose gives them both a creamy flavor and mouthfeel. The spices and the pumpkin butter impart the flavors of the season perfectly, with just a little acidity from the apple cider. And just 2 days later, the lactose clarified beautifully in the Monin. Over the winter, the 3-gallon will clarify in the cold and should be clear and ready for the next Huskin Bee. Thank you so much for joining us.
And we'll see you next time on our final episode of Hallowmead.
See you on Halloween!